Welcome to cocomomokidstv. Let's guess the sound. Who could it be? Guess whose sound is this? Moo, moo, moo. What a sound is this? It's the cow. Moo, moo, moo. Cow says moo just for you. Guess whose sound is this? Hee-Haw, hee-haw, what a sound is this? It's the donkey. Hee-haw, yay. Donkey brays all day. Guess whose sound is this? Meow, 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 what a sound is this? It's the cat. Meow, meow, too. Cat says meow, soft and true. Guess whose sound is this? Chitter chatter, what a sound